Okay, so turning the rhyme into a song, there's a number of ways that you can do it. There'll be people who are very musical that might get a guitar out or a keyboard out or whatever to sort of make that into a song. But I'm just going to give you a starting point, whatever classroom you're in, whatever floor you're in, of how you can sort of make that into a song. So come on in here. We're going to use the same poem that I wrote before, and all that's going to happen. Oh, by the way, if you just look at there's a link. If you run out of rhymes for whatever crazy reason, then there's a link that you can use there to get you lots more rhymes. And if you look in the bottom corner, there's a little speaker there, and this is just going to set you up with a beat, right? So you can hear it sort of count you in, right? So what you've got to do is now basically recite this in time, so you can feel the beat as 2, 3, 4. Welcome to Dubai, where the buildings tower a mile high. Why do I love it? I'll tell you why. There's so many things to do. I like ski Dubai. It's not too hard if you give it a try. Or kite, beach, fly kite in the air. These are the good times you got to share. Okay, so you keep in time with the beat, and a good start is to rap it. If you want to go and add a certain accent or a certain style to it, or a little bit of movement to it, even better. Let me show you what the success criteria is. All right, so foundation is some effective words and rhymes, right? First floor, there's some effective words and rhymes, and there's the broad sense of the highlights of Dubai. Sky high, it's starting to turn into a really nice piece of music, which is compelling. And the summit is what you need to go for, everybody, because you can have a chance to win a house point. But it's on what your tutor thinks. And if the tutor is happy, then that's something that they can share with the other people at WSO. You never know, we might even get one or two of you to perform them in our assemblies. Who knows, okay? Good luck with it. Enjoy.